Hello, I'm Handsome Yun, and allow me to introduce NAN YUN to you. Established in 1993, we specialize in designing and manufacturing a full range of screws and barrels for various extrusion, injection molding machines, food machines. Our dedicated engineering design team combines exceptional theoretical knowledge with practical expertise, specializing in the meticulous design and production of a wide range of screws and barrels. Equipped with advanced machining equipment, NAN YUN excels in integrated manufacturing processes, ensuring stringent quality control at every production stage. This capability places NAN YUN at the forefront of screw and barrel manufacturers in Taiwan.